Hey everyone, welcome back to Soul Psychology. Ever wish you could read people's minds without them saying a word? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of mind reading through body language. Stick around, and I'll share some key tips to help you decipher the unspoken language of the mind. Sign 1, follow their eyes. Looking to the right and straight up signifies lying, because it activates the imagination and left activity memories. But looking to the left and down while talking signifies that the speaker is either recollecting facts or gathering their thoughts. Sign 2, if they're nodding too much. Sometimes when we're talking about something that the other person may not be fond of, they might begin to nod repeatedly and excessively. If someone doubts their ability to follow instructions, they nod way too much. That's why you should pay attention, and when it starts happening, slow down and try to say it in a different way. Please don't forget to subscribe. Sign 3, they're faking a smile. A lot of us complain about wrinkles that show up way too early. But what we didn't know is wrinkles can actually tell you if the smile is genuine or not. This is because fake smiles aren't contagious. Therefore, your eyes won't smile along with your lips. Sign 4, they clench their jaw. A clenched jaw is a sign of stress. If you see them do this, it means they're thinking about something stressful. In any case, whether they notice it or not, it happens subconsciously. Sign 5, how to tell if their emotions are forced. Emotions are revealed in the expression on the face equally. So if one side of their face is more active than the other, they might be faking the emotion. Sign 6, pay attention to when they raise their hands. Raising the hand at its full length with a comfortable posture gives off a powerful, dominating aura. On the contrary, raising the hand under the head level indicates insecurity and shyness. Sign 7, keep an eye on their palms. There are a lot of hand gestures that can mean one thing or another. Among them are these 2. If your palms are facing upward, it means you're suggesting or asking something. And if your palms are facing downward, it means you are ordering or demanding something. Sign 8, pay attention to their distance. Pay attention to how close a person stands to you to determine if they view you favorably. And if someone backs away when you move closer, it could be a sign that the connection is not mutual. Sometimes you can even tell what the relationship is between 2 people according to the distance between them. There you have it, a crash course on reading people's minds through body language. While it's not mind reading in the traditional sense, being attuned to these cues can certainly enhance your understanding of others. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more intriguing content, and let us know in the comments your experiences with decoding body language. Until next time, happy mind reading.